Warm welcome back to Country Van Life. Right, it's time to get off the new Luce camp up here in the snow. I've waited a couple of days for a bit of a thaw to get off this mountain Glen, guys, and driving across the tundra from Galloway across into Ayrshire over to the coast at Glen. This road was treacherous, it was ice, it was snow. We had some dramas on the way and one or two incidences as well. Some cars off the road, treacherous roads. Take care, guys. Right, time to get off this Scottish mountain. Oh, see if she'll start. Oh, look at that, first time in what, 4 days, 3 nights? She starts up straight away, even in the cold. I've checked all my waters as well and my tyres and everything, guys. Check the outside, my lights, and make sure they're all clean. As you can see now, the roads are clearing of ice, so we can get off this beautiful spot. A lovely camp. Really enjoyed this one, really enjoyed it. Right, let's get down. It's total black ice down there, guys, so really low gear, take it nice and easy, because you've come off the tracks here, you've been in the gutter and you've been serious doo-doos, especially up here on these mountain tracks. Wow, absolutely beautiful. Trying to film and keep my eyes on the road at the same time with this ice. I don't want to slip off. If you slip off in that gutter there, guys, you're one of the wheels, you will be in serious trouble. Just keep on rocking. Yeah, I've been doing about 15 miles an hour all the way for about 3 miles, guys, because this black ice, it's treacherous. It don't look that bad, but that is black ice. You come to some bends where it's solid ice, guys, so you've got to treat it with respect, you really have. Otherwise you'll be in serious trouble if one of your wheels go off and your van tips over. Lovely bridge there. We're coming off the Moor range now, guys, above New Luce. Is that a damn wall up there that I can see? Look at the ice here, solid ice, guys. Bridge, because that's no entrance. Is that a damn wall up there? Looks like it. Alright, back it in a bit. Worse on this bit. And we're going up as well. I don't like going up in the ice. It should clear soon, guys. Hopefully. If something comes the other way, you get stuck, especially going uphill and you have to stop, then you'll be in trouble. Well, I thought I was out the worst of it, but it looks like we've got some more snow here on the way over the Glens. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what make cows them are. Anybody any idea? Livestock, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Oh, watch it, Stephen. Solid ice on this bend. You can see the road there, guys, it just drops off the edge, so if your wheels go over that edge of the tarmac, it's a bit like Vienna. And we're going up again, nice and easy, just take your time. Turbines in the clouds, going up into the clouds, so this without all-terrains. And if I'd have come out yesterday, there's no way I would have got across this pass yesterday with the thick snow and ice. So it's cleared up a little bit today. All those wind farms there, guys. All with the heads in the clouds. Keep your eyes on the road, Stevie. Keep your eyes on the road, Stevie. Look at these guys, the road just drops off the edge. All down there, look. I'll catch you in a bit. Oh, we're back into South Ayrshire again. Back into the ice. Look at this solid ice. I am driving on solid ice. I couldn't do this without ATs. Oh, blimey. Can't be far now. We should be dipping down off this tundra pass. This moorland pass, guys, right across the tundra from Galloway to Ayrshire. It's been a bit air rising at stages. But, I'll be glad when we get off here, I know that. As I say, 2 days ago I wouldn't have got out of here, and that's for sure. That's why I waited for a bit of milder weather to come. We've still got solid ice under our shoes. As you can see, the road just drops off the edge there, guys. So if your tyres click, you can go over the edge there with a slide. You don't want that happening. I think that's Glen over in the distance there, down in the Glen. Back at you in a bit, guys. So with my vehicle as well, it's a forward wheel drive, and my drive wheel is near side, so you've got to take that in mind, which wheel is the drive wheel. So if you should have to pull out the way out of someone, you want to make sure that drive wheel's on solid ground, because if the drive wheel goes in the mud, you're going to have trouble getting out of it. Skye. This place, guys. Old cottage here on the right, it's been abandoned. Lovely. I'd buy that, I'd live in there. Nice big farm homestead down there. Oh, it's getting ice. Look at the ice there, guys. Oh, okay, that is solid ice going down there, guys. Oh, blimey, alright. This is solid ice, guys. Get my traction wheel over off the ice if I can, but not in the dirt. This is solid ice. Oh, this is hairy. This is hairy now. Hopefully this is the last of it. It looks quite snowless down the bottom. Whoa, whoa, here we go, we're in the gutter, we're in the gutter. Get out, get out. Oh, we're out. Look, someone else has gone in the gutter there, guys. That's what happens. You go, Skye. That's what happens, be careful. I went in the gutter then as well. This is solid ice, blimey, alright, this is tense. We're going downhill and we're on ice in a 3.5 ton truck. Blimey. Look at this. Oh, come on, Christine. Wheels are spinning a bit. Come on, out you come. I just don't want it to slide sideways because we're out. I think we're out. Oh, that was bloody hairy. Guys, that was bloody tense then. Blimey, coming down that hill then. Because my drive wheel went off the road just for a fraction. I managed to pull it back out. Thank God for them all-terrain tyres, I tell you. Blimey, alright, look. Oh, this is what happens, guys. Someone's gone off the road here. Oh, can I get past there? Oh dear. Can I get through that? That's what happens, guys. Got a big pothole there in front of me as well. Right, gotta go for it. I had no choice, guys. I couldn't go back, I couldn't go sideways. I had to push on. Hopefully the van don't tip over in that mud on the right hand side. Oh, blimey, alright, gotta go over that mud. well in it there, look. Nearly tipped over. That's what happens, guys. Let's get out of here. Come on, Christine. Come on, Christine. Don't get stuck there. Oh. Come on. Oh, blimey, O'Reilly. Oh, let's just stop there, take a breath. Wow. Just bear with me, guys. Just shows you what can happen, guys. Just pointing out the dangers of driving on these roads. Here we go, he's gone off the road completely there. That's what happens on these roads, guys. You've got to be bloody careful. Look at the state of that. He's going to need some hauling equipment to get him out of there. He's probably got a lot of damage as well. He's well in the ditch. But that was bloody scary. But Christine, big 3-tonner, we got through that scrape. Oh, that was bloody, that was tense again. Lime O'Reilly. Beautiful though, absolutely beautiful. Just crack on. Just stay to my van, coming through that pass. Lime, mate. Let's crack on, guys. Lime here for a minute then. I thought I would have had to reverse all the way out of there because of that blockage in the road. All the mountain side passes and log roads are all blocked, guys. I can't go and explore those today, which is a shame. But we're coming, hopefully we're coming down now. Oh, what a tense hour and a half that was, blimey. But I just put this video up, guys, just to show you, if you're not careful, you can get in some serious doo-doo doing this kind of game that I'm doing off the tracks and on the log roads. But well, it's beautiful. You know, you've got to get out here and have a look at this, guys. This is the only way to do it. You might get in a pickle, you might get in a pickle like I do, but this is what I do. Right, we're coming off the, coming down, start to elevate down now, off that pass. God, imagine reversing all the way back out of there, about 2 miles. It took me an hour to do 2 miles, I think. So it looks quite clear down here. Right, Skye was getting a bit fretful there as well. When that van, I tipped out when I went round that, that was a 4x4 as well in the gutter. So it just shows you, guys, even the 4x4 is getting the crap. And when I went round, tried to get round it, I had to put my non-driving wheels, luckily enough, into the mud. And the van tipped over a little bit. I thought she was going to go over, I really did. Oh, blimey. So we're coming down now, look at that. Beautiful, eh? Very, very narrow roads, guys. Absolutely stunning, I love it. We're coming down. Little meandering burn down there at the bottom. Going over this, it's a funny looking bridge. Little humpback stone bridge. That's weird, and that's narrow as well, blimey. It's a narrow bridge. It's a funny bridge in the middle of nowhere for a tiny little stream. Oh, breathe in, guys. Oh, breathe in. Ah, it's only a tiny little burn as well. Oh, we've got another vehicle over. I think the postman's gone this time. Oh, blimey, O'Reilly. Postman Pat's gone over. Another one in the gutter. Oh dear. So the snow's cleared now, but it's well and truly in there. It's well and truly gone down. Yeah, there's nobody in there, he's gone anyway, so just checking. And it's not just happened. Oh, that's 2. That's 2 in the gutter. Postman Pat's in the gutter. Off-road. Oh, Stephen. Right, Glen should be over that lip, hopefully.